Unveiling a groundbreaking development, Vasyl Maliuk, the head of Ukraine's security service, SBU, shed light on the intricacies of the agency's covert missions. These maritime surface drones, responsible for the strategic strikes on the Crimean Bridge, the Russian amphibious vessel, Olenegorsk Miner, and the tanker, SIG, are a product of SBU's proprietary technological innovation. The maritime surface drones stand as an exceptional creation of the SBU. This achievement is solely attributed to our organization, devoid of any involvement from private companies. These very drones orchestrated the July 2023 attacks on the Crimean Bridge, Olenegorsk Miner, and the oil tanker, SIG, declared Vasyl Maliuk, chief of the security service of Ukraine. Maliuk further emphasized that a dedicated team within the SBU, complemented by civilian engineers and IT specialists, is responsible for the development and manufacturing of these drones. Our drones are manufactured in an underground facility situated within Ukrainian territory. Presently, a plethora of intriguing operations, notably within the Black Sea waters, are in progress. I assure you, the outcomes will catch even our adversaries off guard, a true surprise, highlighted Vasyl Maliuk. The SBU's chief stressed that the agency has been the architect behind these tactical blueprints and their successful execution, working in tandem with the naval forces of the Ukrainian armed forces. Every maritime special operation is approached with meticulous planning, 7 measurements taken, 1 decisive cut. Our actions are swift and agile, striking at the enemy's heart, the head of the security service noted. Furthermore, Maliuk underscored that while Western allies are not directly involved in executing these operations, they eagerly assimilate the unique expertise of the SBU,